So I'm using Gridfinity to organize basically everything in my life. These are some toolboxes or hardware boxes that I made out of wood with some 3D printed latches. And actually the hinge is just a little piece of leather. And here I have my Gridfinity organizational system. I actually number the bins so I can make an Excel file to know where everything is. And now I'm moving on to my medicine cabinet. So here I'm starting, I'm still starting, but I'm organizing everything that I need. And I have one problem. There are some containers that don't fit. Okay, so of course I can just print a 2x2 box, and then I can fit these right here. But you actually see that I lose a lot of space. I could actually fit 4 in here, so this is not ideal. So 1x2 does not fit, and 2x2 it's too big. There is one trick that you can actually make. You can make boxes that are, do you see? It's only taking half of the grid. It's leaving a half grid gap in there. And this is possible because this box has a different pattern on the bottom. So this one is the normal Gridfinity bin. It's a 42mm square that fits into the 42mm square of the base plate. This one on the other side has a 21 square millimeter bottom. So as you can see, it's 1.5. And the nice thing is the 4 here are exactly the same size as the big one. So this fits perfectly in here. Of course you have a half missing gap here, but you can just print more 1.5 bins, and then you fill in the base plate. And this way I can store what I need without having to use or lose the extra space from a 2x2 full-size bin. So this is a quick tip. This way you can make really easy boxes that fit exactly what you need without having to overbuild them like this 2x2 box would have been for these containers. So how do you do that? It's actually quite easy. So here I am in Fusion 360 and I have the Gridfinity bin generator installed. And if I go in here, you see the base width, base length. To change this pattern here to 21mm, then you get units here that are based on a 21mm squared pattern instead of the 42. So if I generate here 2x3 bin, this is actually, if you think of it as a normal Gridfinity pattern, this is 1.5. You can also do this in online generators. So this here, I will put the link below. And you can change the base grid size from 42 to 21. And then you have a box that has the little squares on the bottom, and that should fit perfectly in a normal sized Gridfinity base plate that goes around 4 of these little bases. So that's it. This is a little tip to have more flexibility, even more flexibility using Gridfinity than you have already. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe. You know how YouTube works. Thank you very much.